Welcome to today's edition of the AII, watching stock news, deal tracker, and advancements in artificial intelligence brought to you in partnership with Gopher Protocol's Avant, the latest innovation in machine learning. You can learn more about Avant at www.avant-ai.com, and Gopher is traded on the OTCQB under the ticker symbol GOPH. Fortinet Inc., traded on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol FTNT, has today published predictions from their FortiGuard Labs team about cyber criminals and the techniques they will employ in the near future. The report posits that as cyber attacks become smarter and more sophisticated, firms will have to employ more automation and AI to contain threats. Fortinet's Chief of Security Insights and Global Threat Alliances, Derek Mankey, explains, quote, "We are seeing significant advances in cybercriminal tools and services which leverage automation and the precursors of AI. Organizations need to rethink their strategy to better anticipate threats and to combat the economic motivations of cybercriminals, forcing them back to the drawing board. Rather than engaging in a perpetual arms race, organizations need to embrace automation and AI to shrink the windows from intrusion to detection and from detection to containment. This can be achieved by integrating security elements into a cohesive security fabric that dynamically shares threat information for broad protection and visibility across every network segment from IoT to multi-clouds." End quote. Hewlett Packard, traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol HPE, today announced the extension of its cloud-based AI management tool HPE InfoSight to ProLiant servers, Synergy compute modules, and Apollo systems. According to the press release, HPE InfoSight gathers operational intelligence from its infrastructure by analyzing millions of sensors across a globally connected installed base and, using behavioral data, provides trend insights, forecasting, and recommendations to predict and prevent problems. The result is higher efficiency and reliability, creating a smarter, easier-to-manage infrastructure for customers. Teradyne Inc., traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol TER, has announced that it will transfer its stock exchange listing from the New York Stock Exchange to the Nasdaq Global Select Market. The ticker symbol will remain TER, and common stock will commence trading on November 27th. The company's chief financial officer, Greg Beecher, commented on the move. Quote, "Listing on Nasdaq positions Teradyne alongside the world's most innovative companies and technology leaders, while reducing our listing and related costs. We are confident this will be a seamless transition for our company and our shareholders." End quote. And Graph Blockchain Limited, traded on the CSE under the ticker symbol GBLC, through its collaboration with Data Metrics AI Limited, traded on the TSX under the ticker symbol DM.V, has announced that discussions have been held with senior officers of a multinational conglomerate in conjunction with counselors from the Canadian Ministry of Trade and the Ministry of Agriculture to provide blockchain logistics and global supply chain management solutions in relation to Canadian beef importation. The proposed supply chain management and logistics solutions would leverage Data Metrics' AI expertise. And that's it for today's AII. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music. For disclosure purposes, Gopher Protocol is a PR news and social media featured company on InvestorIdeas.com.